In this lesson, we'll show you how to remove the areas around the panels and also what those X's mean when drawn by a comic book artist. We'll show you two ways to clean up the areas around the panels. So instead of removing the areas around the panels, let's add information around those panels. Make a new layer and we'll name this one White Borders and press Return. Let's use the rectangular marquee tool to select the top area. Let's put the white in the foreground color and press Option Delete. Click and drag the rectangular tool on the left side of the art and do it again. Option Delete. Let's click and drag the bottom of the art. Notice that I didn't get all the way to the border here, but that's okay. We can fix that. First thing we'll do is Option Delete and then press the arrow up key until we get to that border and then do again Option Delete. Get that rectangular marquee tool again and let's go down the right side, press Option Delete. Let's go through the middle, press Option Delete. To fill in these diagonal areas, let's get the polygonal lasso tool and we'll select up here and let's go down, select down here, select over here, and then let's go back up again, select here, and then close the selection and do an Option Delete. And we'll do that over here on the left side. Here we go. Let's go back up again and then close it up, Option Delete. Let's also do it down here. Let's get that polygon lasso tool again. Let's go down the side, that border, and let's go back up again and then close it, Option Delete. Let's go from over here into the art, over to the other panel. Let's come back over again to this side, close it up and Option Delete. You can do a white background, or if we look at the original artwork, there are a lot of X's around the panels and inside the panels. Comic artists draw X's for the areas that they want the inker to ink black. So instead of it being white border here, we can do Select, Load Selection, click OK, make a new layer, put black in the foreground color, and do an Option Delete. Command D to deselect.